Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna do a sound and playability review on the not Gibson, the Chibson Les Paul Custom. It is still totally stock, 100% from factory. And we are going to be plugging it into my Marshall dsl40 combo amp. And we'll be running it through like a clean, dirty, and a distortion. And then we're also going to run it through an EVH 5150 overdrive, the MXR EVH 5150 overdrive. Now, the last video I did, I said that the tuners were pretty decent and would stay in tune. Well, the D-string tuner has pretty much shit out on me. So for the past 20 minutes, I've spent retuning it, that D-string tuner. So if we go out of tune during this video, fantastic. The tuners are going to get replaced now. I have an old Epiphone that the headstock broke. I parted it out. I've still got the Grover tuners from it. Although I might splurge and get like the milk bottle style like you saw in the old Ace Frehley Custom. Like I think it was the Budokan. But anyway, we'll see. So let's get into it. Oh, before I do, these knobs are very, very stiff. Like it takes more than just like a quick whoop with your hand. Like I've really got to push to spin that thing. And they're all like that. They're all like that literally like didn't turn it at all. I turned it from like a 10 to an 8. So let's get into this thing. We're just gonna start with clean. That right there, to me sounds like kind of dead, not quite. Oh, that's dead. Not bad. The setup's not bad. The from factory setup's not terrible. The action's a little high for what I like. I mean, you can kind of see that. It's a little high. A little high. But it's not... Dude, you're talking a $265 guitar straight to my door. Kind of sound. guess we'll swap her back on the bridge pickup. Oh, I guess I didn't really do the middle, did I? There we go. Actually, that doesn't sound... I don't have a fantastic time hearing what I'm playing, if that makes sense. If I record something and then hear it better than when I'm just screwing around. That sounds a little goofy. But the middle pickup setting, both doesn't, it's not bad. Alright, let's throw a little dirt on it. What do you think? So this is just still the amp by itself. This is the... So it has a classic gain and an ultra gain channel. This is the ultra gain with no overdrive. Switch up to the bridge pickup. Middle pickup setting. That to me on the low end just kind of like it just dies off really quick. Alright, let's see what the amp, the overdrive on the amp. Let's see where that goes. It doesn't sustain too super long. Let's throw on the EVH overdrive. Let's see if we can show you the settings here. Ladies, this is where we're set at for now. That's where we're just going to hang out. All right, here we go. Man, that feedback. And I've got the gate turned up, so it's supposed to like kind of cut back on the feedback. Dude, that feedback is bad. Let's see if we can do that again a little better. It's just, well, I'm tuned to standard tuning, which that song is half step down tuned. And dude, this feedback, I don't know how you guys are hearing it, but it sucks through right here in my ear. Alright, let's kill that noise, because that was actually starting to fucking mess with me. Alright guys, that's the basic sounds. Apologize if there's any terrible playing. I am not warmed up at all. The pickups, unless you're adding distortion to them, aren't too bad. But dude, they need to be replaced if you're going to be running any type of, at least straight through an amp with a simple, with an overdrive pedal. Maybe a different overdrive pedal will be a little different, or if I've got a different pedal set up, but if I've got to need a bunch of pedals or software to make my guitar not sound like shit, then I'm not really interested in that guitar. Now, if it's an expensive guitar, this is a $280 guitar shipped to my door. Dumb dogs. Shipped to my door. Where I'm going to put, you know, the Marzio PAF pickups in it. I'm going to put 50 style Les Paul wiring in it. I'm going to now change the tuners because like now they suck. I don't know if I'm going to change the bridge or not. Like this bridge seems pretty decent, and it actually looks like the tailpiece doesn't is not stamped Epiphone underneath, but it looks like the bridge might be. Like, it's weird. Like, it's tough to tell, but there's definitely like indentations what look like lettering. And I have an Epiphone bridge and tailpiece here in a parts drawer. And they look very, very similar. So, one last look at her before she gets swapped out. I still have the plastic on the truss rod cover. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed it.